Hey guys, so today I'm gonna unwrap the copy of the anti-theft backpack. Yes, I can't say unbox because unfortunately it didn't came in a box. So my name is Avi and you're watching Unbox Cut. Let's begin. So guys, let's quickly cut the cover and see what's inside. So yes, I will just cut it right over here. Let's see how is the packing of it. So it's packed pretty well. I will show you guys. So now let's open the plastic cover. Oh, there's tape here, so we have to cut it. Yes. So now let's see. Oh, it's not open. We have to cut it here also. Let's cut it and see. Okay, so finally we are in. I have a cut thread over here. So it feels kind of great in the hand, and I think the quality might be intermediate, not too good, because obviously it's the copy. Yeah, now here's the strap on which you can carry with your suitcase, and the strap is open, so I will put it in afterwards. I will just open the bag first. So I'm just gonna open it in 180 degrees. Oh, I get a keychain here. I love kinda keychain. So yes guys, here is the bag. Many pockets, chain also, and this is a wire to charge the phone via outside. Small pockets, and this is to keep the laptop and iPad. There is also one small pocket here in which you can keep credit cards and stuff. So I have a power bank over here. Let's plug it in and keep it on the top pocket. You can charge it right over here. So after that I have a bottle. I'm keeping it just right here. It's the perfect spot for that. So now I'm gonna keep the iPad over here. So it fits very well and it's good. I don't think this strap needs to be sewed like this. It's wrongly done. Never mind. Let's move on. So I'm gonna quickly put my laptop in here. It fits pretty easily and the size is great. It's not too heavy or something. It's lightweight and good. And now I'm gonna put my wallet, and I'm gonna put my phone over here. Now let's put 2 t-shirts and 1 t-shirt and 1 jeans over here, and now I will close it. I will just attach the velcro back. You can avoid opening it in 180 degrees. You can just open the front flap of it by using the velcro, and now I will close it. So there are some problems in closing it because it is filled a lot. As you can see, so here we guys are. It's all fit in there. So I will quickly place the straps over here, and the material feels great in the hand, and they say it is cut proof, but I don't wanna test it because I don't wanna screw up my bag. So I'm gonna quickly put the strap in it. So yes, we are here guys, the straps are all in and the bag is ready to take. So I'm just gonna put my credit card over here, and it fits pretty easily, and it is good for train cards or something like that. So yes, here we guys are, the anti-theft cut-proof backpack. So thanks for watching guys. If you liked the video, please press on the like button and subscribe for more unboxing, or I will say unwrapping like this. So guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.